Hi everyone, I'm harvesting Pak Choy right now. Quite some time ago, I've planted Pak Choy in vertical tower and hydroponic system. And here are the results. Now I'm going to cut more Pak Choys. For information, these are baby Pak Choys. That's why the leaves are small. There's more Pak Choys here. I'm going to cut it now. Since this is baby Pak Choy, the leaves will break easily, but it will be delicious after we cook it. Look how fragile the leaf is. I hope you can hear how it breaks. As you can see, I've planted this Pak Choy in the hydroponic system. I've planted this 1 month ago and the results are very good. I've mowed there. This is a very short video. I just wanted to show the progress of the Pak Choy to you. See you next time. Bye.